Oh my goodness, here's the phase 2 of the Ellis Island casino expansion. Cages down there. They got a shit ton of new machines. There's a new loyalty club desk. Hi! Which is kind of has some retail stuff now. It's interesting. All the old school machines over here in the corner. They kept these more mature machines. In case security stops me, I'm going to do a quick pan. This is phase 2 of the expansion. You got the Metro Pizza, you got the focaccia sandwich place. It's excellent. So this section on the right has been closed off for several months. This part debuted maybe 6 months ago. Out there is the new bar and a way to get up to the patio. Table games. Looks like there's some table games in the phase 2 as well. Oh, I love that security did not yell. Big fan of that. So yeah, there's the table games area. The ceiling looks nice. But there's another phase yet to come. There's the front yard out there. They've closed off the karaoke bar. They're renovating that. Of course, the restaurant's still open, but there's a new entrance. You have to go through the old barbecue restaurant to get there. I've pushed my luck too much, so I'm gonna wrap it up. That's the phase 2 expansion at Ellis Island. Looks fancy.